Hi students, welcome to HP Kapiya School. I am Nisha James and I am taking practical. Today we are starting the third 11th standard biology practical, that is TS of dipole stem. As I already told you that TS means the transverse section. Okay, TS means transverse section, that is always circular in outline. So I am going to tell you what are the parts of the TS of dipole stem. The TS of dipole stem, as I told you that is circular in outline. It consists of the outermost part is called epidermis. Epidermis is normally made up of simple parenchymal cell. And the second part is called hypodermis. The third part is called cortex. Then there is an endodermis and also the vascular bundle. Vascular bundle is an association of the xylem and phloem. And in the centralmost region, you can find a pig. So this is the brief view of the TS of dipole stem. Now I am going to tell you what about the detailed anatomy. So students, now I am going to tell you how to take the TS of a dipole stem. So this is dipole stem. I told you that the dipole stem normally we are taking the sunflower stem. Now what about its appearance? You can find that this is a brown color structure. So this is one of the primary identification feature of a dipole stem. Okay, the brown color structure is the primary identification feature of a dipole stem. Now I will tell you how to take the section. First we have to take a blade. I told you that every time we have to take a new blade, then only we will get thin section. Now we have to dip this blade in water. Then we have to take the thin sections. Okay. I told you that continuously we have to take 5 or 6 section. After taking 5 or 6 section, we have to transfer that in a petri dish. Okay. Now, after that petri dish, so this is called petri dish. In petri dish, I have added some of the water, and then from this petri dish, we have to select the thin sections. Okay, so thin section one by one we have to select, and we have to transfer that in the watch glass. This is called watch glass. Then, in this thin section, we have to select one or two fine section and transfer that into another watch glass containing stain. Okay, so I have transferred the fine sections, the thin section into a watch glass consists of stain. So what is the stain? The stain is the safranin. Now we have to wait for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we have to transfer the section in a slide. Okay, so how you will transfer? With help of a brush. So I have taken the brush. Okay, why I am using only the brush? Because the sections are very thin. If you touch it with forceps and other thing, it will break. So you have to use the soft brush. Now we have to transfer this section into the slide. So I have transferred my section into the slide. Always try to remember. Always try to keep the section in the center of the slide. Okay. Now we have to add the extra stain. So now it consists of extra stain. So we have to remove this extra stain with help of blotting paper. This paper is called blotting paper that I already told you in first lecture. Okay, so I have removed the excess stain and excess water. Now we have to add a 1 drop of water. Okay, 1 drop of water, here 1 drop of glycerin. Okay. Now we have to take a covered slip, dip the covered slip in water, then keep the covered slip in an angle of 45 degree, then gently you have to put the covered slip. And always remember, when you are putting covered slip, there should not be any air bubble. Now our slide is ready. Now we have to remove extra water. Okay, sometimes when we are putting cover slip, some extra water will come out. That we have to remove with the help of the blotting paper. Now the slide is neat. Now we have to keep this under the microscope. Okay. So I have kept the slide under the microscope. I have taken the 10x. I told you that the objective lens is two types, 10x and 45x, but normally we are using 10x. Okay, so I have checked whether it is in 10x. Then I kept the slide under the microscope. Okay, light was already adjusted. Now it is having enough light. Now I am finding what about the anatomy. Okay, so we got a very good slide. It is having all the features in a clear way. Okay, the TS is circular in outline. It consists of the anatomy I already told you. Okay, it is circular in outline. Okay, it consists of epidermis, it consists of hypodermis, endodermis, and also vascular bundle. Everything is very clear in this slide. Okay. So when you are taking section, always try to take a complete section. The section should be always circular. Then only you will get full marks. And when you are doing staining, there will not be any additional staining. Okay. So these are the various things you have to take care while doing the dissection. Okay.